Okay, we're down at Hurricane Lake Campground, the primitive side. It is a massive, massive lake. Up there is all the primitive tent camping. There's showers and bathrooms. We came down and we brought the kayaks and we took them across the lake to the RV park area where we saw a guy pull a massive, probably 2.5 to 3 foot catfish out of the water. There's no swimming down here, no electric motors only, no power loading. There are alligators, as the sign says, but the map shows the deepest part is about 30 feet. A lot of turtles, but it is absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous down here. Yeah. And there's a boat ramp, public boat ramp. And you've got to have a daily pass to come down here. It's $2, fairly cheap. Of course, through the state, you've got to have fishing license to fish. And I think camping is like $10 or $15 a night. I forget how much it is. It's not very much, but yeah, it's worth it. Listen to them birds. Gorgeous down here. Yeah, again, we just came down for the day bringing the kayaks. Camp host is down that way. A lot of fishing, camping. I believe there's trails that go around the lake. It's huge. This is one, I think it's the biggest lake in Okaloosa County. It's huge, and here are the fishing statewide regulations. Nice little fish cleaning station down here. And of course up on the hill, this is a big peninsula into the lake, is all the primitive camping with the bathrooms and showers and everything down here on Hurricane Lake.
The kayak cuts the dark glass still. A ripple breaks the peace. A gentle tap of paddle blade, a beautiful release. I glide beneath the sun-drenched sky, where blue heron fly. The water holds the world above, an echo to the eye.
Taking a little stroll down to one of these peninsulas here at Hurricane Lake. I do believe it's man-made because they have all these peninsulas, little finger peninsulas that are around the lake, and each one of them have a bench and like a sycamore tree planted, and they're all about the same height, about 20 and 25 years old. Getting ready to walk down to one now. Little sign down here that says alligators. Alligators. Yeah, this is a little peninsula. It's well maintained. All kinds of flowers and stuff growing on the side of it, left and right. Beautiful. Pink flowers, and yellow, and white. Something big just jumped in the water. Right there, whatever it was, it just jumped in the water right there. Those flowers smell so nice. And at the end here is looks like a sycamore tree and a bench. Beautiful. We're going to go down there and do a little drone flight. Look at that lake. Across the way over there is the RV park. That's where if you have an RV and you want to stay, that's where you got to stay. If you want to stay in a tent, primitive, you got to stay over here. Beautiful. So, yeah. Nice down here. Down at Hurricane Lake. Loving it. Gorgeous. We just got back with the kayaks, had a little lunch. Enjoying nature today. Down here at Hurricane Lake. Beautiful out here.
The kayak cuts the dark glass still. A ripple breaks the peace. A gentle tap of paddle blade, a beautiful release. I glide beneath the sun-drenched sky, where blue heron fly. The water holds the world above, an echo to the eye. Past lily pads and pickerel weed, the slow sweet current pulls 100 shades of vibrant green, the place that feeds and loves. Oh, Hurricane Lake, you're calling out my name, washing off the city suit, cooling down the flame with Spanish moss drape blowing along a curtain soft and green. The most welcoming horizon I have ever seen. From the forest